learn face value, place value and place of the 4-digit number. We have learned this place value, face value and place concept in the grade 2 itself. This is a kind of extension of the concept. So we'll start here. So for us the problem is 4786. Here when you want to find out the place value, face value and place, one of the digits from the question should be in a different color or circled or bolded one. So I am going to circle number 7 here. We'll find out the further. So first you have to find the place of the number. That is your first step. Step 1. Find out the place. For that you have to write the number. On top of the number you have to write the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. In 1000 the first letter should be the capital T and the H should be a small h. Then what is the number is circled here? 7. So you can circle the same number here. And what is the place? The 7 is 100. So the place of the number is 100. The next one is step 2, that is face value. You have to find out the face value. Face value is nothing but what is given, which number is circled, which number is in a different color. That number is known as a face value. So here 4786, number 7 is circled. So your face value is 7. The next one, finally we have found place and face value of the number. Finally we have to find place value of the number. Step 3, place value. Here you have to put this two place value and face value together. Place and face value together. In your face value you are having 7. So write 7 here, and in your place you are having 100. Write 100 here. And now you are having a 700. Write this in a number form. This is your place value. So I repeat, for this 4786 we are going to find the place, face value and place value. So when you want to find it, one of the numbers should be in a different color or circled or in a different size. Based on that, first we have to find the place of the number. For finding the place of the number, you have to write the number first, and on top of the number write the places and see which number is circled and write the place of the number here. So here 7 is circled, place of 7 is 100. So I have written 100 over here. The next one is step 2, face value. In face value 4786. What is the number is circled? That number I have to write here. So I have wrote 7 here. Next one is step 3, place value. Place value is nothing but you have to write face value and place together. In face value we are having 7, so I have wrote 7 here. Then in a place I am having 100, so I have wrote 100 here. Then write it in a number form. In a number form 700 will write as a 700 like this. So this is a place value of the number. Thank you.